under the curse. All right, YouTube's getting a break in the weather. I got a couple reach-in freezers to look at tonight and possibly a display case. The first one's gonna be a freezer over here, and we'll see what's not going on. I guess they said it got up to 60 degrees, so let's check it out. The next freezer I'm going to, they said, is ice up issues. So let's check out the one that's getting warm first. All right, we'll grab Mr. Tippy. We got some knee pros on. And we'll grab the Felipe's super gauges here. Actually, these things have been holding up pretty good so far. They're not bad. They're basic, but not bad. This is what we're working with here. T49F, standard, 2-door, 22 ounces of 404, dead in the water. That feels good. All right. All right, it's in cooling mode. All right. 4 to 2 should be closed right now. Let's see. I got voltage. Too hot to go in the defrost. Well, the X terminal's popping it out. All right, so I'm checking at the compressor plug. I got 122. There it goes. I think that defrost timer's goofed out. Bad defrost timer. All right. This one's got the sketchy defrost timer. And I got one coming for it. All right. It's a nice little sunshine breaking the storms. freezer number 2 is going to be right up here. Oh, there it is, the orb. So nice to see you again, old friend. Ah, yeah. Very nice, very nice. So yep, freezer number 2 is going to be up here. This is the one that's supposed to be iced up freezer. Let's check it out. I think it's also a 2-door. I don't know what brand. We'll have to see when we get there. Let's see if we can figure it out. I got a defrost timer coming for the other one. I don't stock the Grassland timers on my van. Usually I'll switch them over to a mechanical one, but I think on that one we're just gonna go ahead and throw the card in there and do a little swap out. I should have it tomorrow. The parts house had it and said they were gonna send it out UPS. Should come to the house tomorrow. We'll see. There, this is freaky. 2 freezer jobs, both of them next to a 7-Eleven. Isn't that crazy? Oh man, that's crazy. He's all on me to get in there. I'm like, hold on, let me grab my tools. Let's grab a Tippins. Look, it warmed up. I'm in short sleeves. Yeah, the orb is out. Give me a second to grab the tools, mama. All right, let's see what we got going on here. You got the Audi. Sales must be good over here. She's gonna give me the business. Listen. Whoa, what happened up there? Did you break it? Did you get mad at it? Punch it? Oh, brother. Let's see what we got going.
And this is so much eyes of it. And also right here, they always show up and start with D something, DF something.
Oh, it's throwing a code?
Yeah.
Oh, that's when it goes into defrost. DEF, defrost.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, that's normal. Oh yeah, you can see all the water's coming out of the back there when it's in defrost. Oh yeah.
So when I saw that cold and just turn off and I on again.
Dude, I probably got a bad sensor. Let me go through my chart here and find the sensor readings. Okay, I put it in manual defrost, but what I found was the drain pan is full of ice. So what's happening is when it does defrost, it just goes prink and spills over. The drain tube's solid and the drain pan is completely full of ice. Oh yeah. I gotta do a complete, I'm gonna talk to her and set up a time when we can take all this apart and do a big clean out. And I probably got a defrost heater out. I was trying to see if it would give me my total defrost amps. 25 ounces, 404, 12 amps. Let's see if it, I don't want to pull 12 amps with defrost. Let's take a look though. Doors are sealing good. I'm in defrost. If you ever have to work on these to access the back of your controller, there's 2 screws. I just took them out. One there, they look like this. And one over there. And then this lid is on a hinge. See the hinges? This is a nice little setup. It's got a contactor. I want to find my defrost leg here. So it's got contactors for everything. One of these is my defrost contactor, so. Oh, there's a schematic right here. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got here. All right, if you look on the schematic, right here's a pan heater. Right here is main defrost heater. And then they go together to the contactor. You get a contactor for your heaters, contactor for your compressor, and then a main power contactor right here. That's our 3 contactors. Got main power, defrost heaters, compressor. All right, if you look right here, pan heater, main heater, they come out, it comes off the contactor, comes out, and then it tees off to each heater. So that's this right here is our main line. Comes off, comes up right here. I got 7 amps on one heater and 0 amps on the other heater. So this heater here is probably the drain pan. It's got 0. And then this one here is my main heater. And it's got almost 7 amps. I can confirm by just checking voltage between there and the other half of that heater. I did find it. It was a white wire right here. It comes up to all these neutrals right here. So I can confirm I got voltage, no amps. I got a bad pan heater. Drain pan heater has failed. Now I gotta see if I can find one. All right, talked it over with the customer. RHS, Refrigeration Hardware Supplies, looking for the drain pan heater. She said it might just be a drain line heater on that one too, where the schematics just mislabeled. They're gonna look into that for me and find it. Talk to the customer so when we get it, we can get it all emptied out. Listen how much rain we've been having. Listen to my door. Look. That ain't no Wonder Bread truck, mama. That's a working man's truck right there. Yeah. All right, I'll bring you guys around over here. We'll look at the mayhem. So the pier here in Capitola, the waves came over and broke the pier. The waves were so big that the pilings that broke off the pier got pushed in on the big waves through the restaurants that are on the esplanade there. And it's a real nice touristy place, summertime, super busy. And they're all red tagged right now. And some of my videos, done some work there, and you might have seen it. I'll see if I can pull in up here and we'll do a little filming. And then the houses over there across the bay, they all got flattened too. The ocean's still turning. Still too stormy to surf. I put the water box in that restaurant, and you can come along and see the pier is broken. And it washed into all those restaurants in there. It's all red tagged. You can also see all the wood on the beach. There's a river on the other side of that jetty right there. And pardon me, on this side. So all the wood washed out.